Hi guys, I've had my yellow engine light come on my Audi A5 3.0 TDI, and also I've got flashing the yellow coil light as well, and more often than not that means the exhaust gas pressure sensor is out, and I will show you to change it really quickly. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Keep watching. It is a pair of maybe long nose pliers or a pair of grips, or anything you've got handy. And I think it's 5mm if I'm not mistaken. Take the engine cover off, get to this bad boy here, take the plug out, take the screw out, which is right on the top there, take those two hose pieces off. One has got a clip, one is just a little bit of pipe onto the unit. Fit the new one in and you're good to go. Take the cover off, just get it out of the way so you can get to the actual unit. All you need to do is just press the press the plug's clip here. Take the clip out, plug is out, keep it to one side, then get your Torx number 5, I think it is. Take that out, put that in the unit, take the screw out, take the hoses out of the clips. It's got one little stubby here and a longer one with a clip on it, so take the clip out. Use your pliers, your long nose pliers, whatever you got handy. Pry this out like that, and take the pipe out of the take the hose out of the unit. Then the other bit of it is just a bit of pipe or hose. Twist it first, make sure it comes out, and then gently pull it out of the unit so you can use it on the new one. The old unit comes off. Take the new unit, new sensor, out of the bag. Put the little hose onto the little connector here. Stick it all the way up, just like that. And then the clip and the hose go into the thicker bits of the unit. Alright, you've got the new unit in with a little pipe on it. Get a thicker bit of the unit into the hose with the clip on and gently push it in, holding the clip open with your pliers. Once it's pushed in all the way, move the clip to the outside of the unit so you can grab it next time, and then clip the hoses back into the holders. And then you're more or less in position. Now all you have to do is put the screw back in. Gently get it into the space, get the Torx wrench in, tighten it through. Don't over tighten it, it only needs to be held in place gently there. Once the unit makes good contact with the surface of the holder, that's good enough. Then all you have to do is put the plug back in, put the cover back on, and hopefully we're good to go. Alright, now I've plugged in my LBD2 into the connector at the bottom of the footwell and trying to raise the code as my lights are still flashing, although I've changed my unit. Just need to raise the codes, hopefully that will work. Alright, let's go through the menu. Enter gives you the menu. Diagnostics, I'll do the diagnostic and it will take a good erase previous stored version. Yeah. Alright, I've got all the codes now. Read the codes. So what codes I've got all exhaust pressure sensor 8 circuit range performance. Okay, so that's P0471. It says it's generic, but it's kind of specific for my issue. Right, so I'll just erase that. Erase codes. Enter. Erase trouble codes. Are you sure? Yeah. Guess what? The lights are out. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.